Today's video is Caillou pulls the fire alarm / grounded big time.
It was requested by King's men. Enjoy! Good morning! And today, we are going to learn about math.
Can I go to the bathroom?
Yes!
There's the fire alarm. Ha! One of these.
It's a fire alarm! Hey, did you pull the fire alarm?
Yes.
Whoa. You are suspended until 2022. Go home now.
Oh no. Get the smart ass over here.
When he got inside the house.
Yeah, like my YouTuber said, when he got inside the house.
Oh, Caillou the smart task mouth. I can't expect you pulled the fire alarm.
That's it. Grounded. 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 0, 3, 7, 4, 7, 4, 9, 9, 8, 5, 8, 9, 8, 8, 9, 0, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 3, 8, 3, 3, 3, 8, 9, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Group of 2s, yes. Bad brother, I overhand.
I agree with your sister. When you get home, go straight to your room because you are so in much bigger trouble. No Chuck E. Cheeses, no PS4, no phone, no hanging out with Dora, and also no more of your favorite food meals because you will eat everything I cook for you, especially vegetables. In the meantime, enjoy prison stupid murder.